You have time to scroll on social media, then you have time to make an additional income from home. I'm going to show you how I made my first $100,000, how I quit my engineering job in just 8 months working from my phone. What I do is called high ticket affiliate marketing. It means that I have gone out, I apply to affiliate programs for brands that I use, like, know, and trust. It gave me a special link to products that I want to recommend to others on social media. Someone clicks on my special link and buy, I earn a commission. It's a simple relationship between me and the brand that I use and love. Not long ago, I was a complete beginner. I had no idea what affiliate marketing was or how to do it. I learned these high income skills in just a few weeks in my spare time. I learned while I was working in the middle of nowhere as an engineer. I set up my systems one time and now my business run on autopilot, which means I make money when I'm sleeping, working out, or out with my family. All because of these high income skills that I learned and applied. 80% of brands have affiliate programs that bring 40% of their revenue. So they need regular people like you and me. Brands like Walmart, Target, or Amazon. High ticket affiliate marketing just basically means the products that I promote cost more, so my commissions are higher. Now I have 5 streams of income working for me around the clock. I have become a 6-figure earner, traveled on multiple vacations this year. I'm a full-time stay-at-home dad. Now I get to live life where I am in control. Make sure to click the follow button and comment time for my free blueprint.